Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kodisa. I'm your host Utpal, and today we'll be looking at this leet code problem 67, which says add binary. So let us go through the problem. So it says, given two binary strings A, B, return that sum as a binary string. Okay, so A is a binary string, B is a binary string. We have to add it and return it as a binary string. Okay, so 1 is 3, 1 is 1, so 3 plus 1 4, and 4's binary is 100. Okay. So let us begin coding. So before that, so we have to, so there is a way in which we can convert a binary to decimal and then we can add it and then convert it back to binary and return it. So how we will do that? We'll do that using int function. So int of a, which will take a binary string. It will convert it into decimal. This is the decimal representation, and then we'll add it to the decimal of b. Then we'll convert it back to binary using bin function. And since we just have to return the binary part, we have to splice it or slice it basically. So from 2 onwards, because otherwise it will return like this, like 0B101, kind of like that. So don't want this 0B part because it is not expecting that. So we'll just return the binary part of it. Okay. And then we'll add return to it, like return binary of summation. It will do the sum. It will do the sum, then convert it back to binary and just return the binary part of it. So let us run this code. Great, it is working as expected. Let us submit it. Great, it got accepted. So I hope you guys understood this problem. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It will motivate me more, and we'll meet again next time. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.